Hello, Reggie here, and this is the Nintendo Modding News Direct. Today we talk about everything that is going on around modding your Nintendo consoles, as well as ROM hacks for games on those consoles. Before we begin, I just want to cheer on the modding community for when the Nintendo Switch 2 comes out. With Mario Kart 9 already being exposed to the public, there's no telling what games Nintendo might release, and modders will be able to make excellent mods for the Switch 2. But anyways, let's start the Direct. Let's move our attention to the Nintendo Wii and the popular game, New Super Mario Bros. Wii. An entire team of developers made a ROM hack for the game. So let's give a round of applause to the ROM hack, Newest Super Mario Bros. Wii. The link to download the mod is in the description, as well as a Q&A shown on screen for the ROM hack. Pause the video if you need to. But wait, there's more! Coming from the same people who made Newest Super Mario Bros. Wii, a part 2 of the ROM hack, Mario and the Mysterious Meteorite. Those were cool. The people who made the videos on YouTube was Team Comet. Please support them. And that is the last of the Wii announcements. Now we will go over to the Nintendo 64, where this ROM hack is so crazy, I cried of laughter. So without further ado, please welcome Mario in the Multiverse. Pretty funny, right? The person on YouTube is named Rovertronic, support him, and now we will move on to the Nintendo GameCube, and the game, Super Mario Sunshine. A team made a mod for it, so let's hop into the trailer, Super Mario Eclipse. That was awesome. The team who made it is called Eclipse Team on YouTube. Support them, and now we will move to our final ROM hack. This one is on the Nintendo Switch. So without thinking, let's jump into the ROM hack, CDGP Deluxe. And with that trailer is the end of our second Nintendo Modding News Direct. If you want to show a ROM hack or want to show people a new way of modding their consoles, then I welcome you to join my Discord server in the description. So good morning, day, or night, wherever you are, make it brilliant. Goodbye.